In this video, I'm going to quickly go over how to set up offset paths, and they are really helpful for creating duplicates of your shape, but just offsetting a tiny bit, either increasing its scale or decreasing its scale to do something, like what you see on the screen, and this can be done very quickly. So to start out, I'm just going to make one shape here, and then I'm going to go to Object, Path, and Offset Path. And this is going to come up with a dialog box, and you want to make sure that preview is checked. And your offset is either going to go negative, which means it'll go inside, and I'm using the wheel to increase the scale, or it's going to come to the outside. And you can change the type of bevel to be round or mitered. It'll kind of replicate what you already have. So mine was rounded, so it'll actually stay around. And then you say, okay. And then I'm going to come back and I can select both of these, go Object, Path, Offset Path. And notice you don't see one of them, and that's because it's right on top of the other one, and I can shrink back down and have it go to the inside if I wanted, something like that. Or I can make it go back out like so and say, okay. I can come and take one more, just have it go down like this, and then go, I might change the stroke weight on it a tiny bit. So let's go down a little bit, and then Object, Path, and Offset Path. And I'm going to reset this to 0, just click off, and then come up and decrease it a tiny bit. I can then take these two shapes, Control G or right click and group them together and have them structured down, Command D, Command D, Command D, Command D. Group all of these together. Position these on the outside, hold down Option, drag it to the top. And this is where I would then group these objects together. These ones are grouped, these ones are all grouped. Select everything, use Distribute Spacing, make sure they're aligned in the middle, and then Command G, and you're set. Now you've got a bit of a bigger watch face than this one, but you kind of get the idea. And so you can do really nice sort of designs by using the offset path function.